Whiskers was a top-tier delivery cat. Fast, efficient, and only sometimes stealing fries. But one tiny mix-up? Boom. Fired. No job, no money, just hunger and regret. With nothing to lose, Whiskers starts his own food business. First, a total disaster. But then, he goes viral. Everyone wants his food, even his old boss. Now the same boss who fired him is begging for a job. Whiskers, smirking. Should he hire him, or make him suffer? Would you hire your old boss? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more insane cat stories.